Given that situation, Kim gave a very realistic performance, 'di
Mhm.
ba?
But now she's
Oo,
35, sabi
but
nila.
now that I'm 35, 'di ba? So I can do things that I didn't do in the past.
Mhm.
So may leveling yung kanyang
Oo.
ano.
At they are indeed two intense characters as Stella and Vincent. And you know, who are we talking about? This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita,
Hi, this is Alex
and
Brosas.
you are watching the Saturday episode of the TT Show. Tarayan at Talakayan Showbiz Edition. Of course, basang-basa sa kaligayahan, yung Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino kasi nga, saan sila nagnumero uno para kada alibay? They are number
Sa
one in
number 1 in the Philippines, Kuwait, Qatar, and Saudi
Arabia.
Arabia.
And they're number 3 in Hong Kong, number 5 in United Arab Emirates, and number 10 in Thailand. And that is just
Sa
the
Prime Video
first
yun, ano?
two episodes sa Prime Video, which was shown a Friday ago. So, palakpakan naman tayo sa Kimpaw Kimpaw. I'm sure happy ang Kimpaw Universe, happy ang Kimpaw Earth, happy ang Kimpaw International, at happy ang Kimpaw World.
World.
Dahil nga bonggang-bongga po talaga ang The Alibay. We were able to watch, what's that,
3 episodes.
3 episodes during a special screening.
Mm.
Mare, what say you? What were you most impressed about The Alibay?
I was more impressed by Kim Chiu for
Mhm.
her audacity to appear in a show and gyrate and dance and do the
Pole
pole dancing
dancing.
act
Mhm.
without parang 'di ba?
Mm.
Parang tsuk, parang
Oo.
everything
Walang
flew.
kiber.
Everything flew in the air,
Oo.
'di ba? Parang ay,
Walang kiber.
Diyos
Laban
ko,
kung laban.
oo.
Alindog kung alindog.
Oo, parang tapos tawag dito, there's some sense of of normalcy in the storytelling. Kasi
Mm.
normal yung ginawa niya for her family, 'di
Oh,
ba?
for her,
Kasi
especially for her character,
oo,
Stella.
oo, si Stella. Kasi mahirap nga sila. So she has to earn extra money. Kaya
To
ang nagawa niya, gawin ang isang bagay na hindi naman niya talaga gusto.
out of her comfort zone pa.
Oo, 'di ba?
Oo.
So, given that situation, Kim gave a very realistic performance, 'di
Mhm.
ba? Walang walang pagkukunwari,
Mm.
walang walang recesses, 'di
Oo.
ba?
Basta
Kung ano yung role, yun siya.
basta yung performance of her life, yung pagsasayaw niya ng sa pole dancing, na ang ending, basang-basa siya ng water at
Oo,
talagang tinanggal niya ang kanyang brasier, 'di ba?
oo,
At ang nakakalokang big reveal do'n, inambay ni Direk Jojo Sagum, dream role niya 'yon,
oo.
'di ba? Ang maging basang-basang pole dancer.
Aray ko,
Direk Jojo, iba rin,
naging naging realistic
'di ba?
nakakatawa. At saka hindi, during the interview after the screening, 'di ba, inamin naman ni yung parang naiiyak siya, sabi niya,
Mm.
'di ba laging tanong sa kanya, "Ano pang gagawin mo?" So
Oo,
so
yes.
ini-enumerate niya na when she was 20, she acted like a
At her
teeny-weeny
20s.
'di ba?
But now she's
Oo,
35, sabi
but
nila.
now that I'm 35, 'di ba? So I can do things that I didn't do in the past. So
Mhm.
may leveling yung kanyang
Oo. At sa totoo
project.
lang po, in person, si Kim Chiu ata ang 35 na mukhang 25,
Oo,
'no?
ang bata.
Ang batang tingnan in
Oo, kasi
person.
parang she has problems, pero they just go away, they just
Mhm.
fade. Hindi niya pinapa-stay yung problem,
Oo.
'di ba? Tsaka she has everyday work, 'di ba?
Mm.
Lagi siyang nasa It's Showtime, 'di
Oh.
ba?
I think
Tapos
work is
meron
really therapeutic for her.
oo, at saka ang maganda dun, kahit ano yatang kain hindi tumataba. My God,
Yes.
she's gifted in that department, 'di
Oo.
ba?
Sa mabilis na metabolism.
Oo, at saka she does exercise every day.
Oo.
Pagkagising pa lang, 'di ba
Tumatakbo.
tumatakbo kung ano-anong pinagagawa, 'di ba parang she has a
Hmm.
very ano, a balanced life.
Okay. And of course, Paolo Avellino plays
Ay,
Vincent
Diyos ko
Cabrera.
eto na, eto na,
And
Diyos ko
before
na.
the press con began,
Ay,
nagka-moment kami ni Paolo,
ay,
at
Diyos ko.
maraming ang pipisaksi nun aming kaibigan si Julie Bonifacio.
Bakit
Kasi
parang walang ano,
ha?
walang documentary?
'Di ba wala, kasi
Parang hindi
hindi
na-document.
kasi nakaupo siya sa harapan, eh.
Hindi, dapat may
Hindi,
documentation.
picture kami na hindi ko
Ah,
lang
ay,
nilalabas,
Diyos ko kailan ilalabas?
'di ba? Kasi ayokong ma-bash.
Aray ko, my
'Di
God!
ba? So what happened was, Paolo was already seated sa kaniyang designated chair.
Hmm,
Alam mo yun, napatingin siyang gano'n, tapos nakita niya ako, like magkatabi,
hmm.
Julie was me, tapos out of the blue, gumano sa'kin si Paolo. Tapos ako naman gumanon,
Ay,
'di
Diyos
ba?
ko.
At ang linya ni Julie, ng
Hmm,
atribida nating kumare,
hmm.
sabi, "Ay, wala talagang patawad, harap-harapan, andiyan si Kim, kinukyoti si Paolo."
Ay, oo nga, 'di ba?
Sabi ko, "Julie, kumaway na naman sa'kin si Paolo." Nag-response lang ako, kumaway rin ako. "Hindi," sabi, "Hindi sis, andiyan si Kim, eh. Bastusan ang ginagawa mo."
Aray ko, my God!
Kaya naman pala, kaya nung nagpa-picture kami ni Paolo, nandun kami sa gilid ng sinehan,
Hmm,
sa madilim na area. Paolo, kasi diba, he was being cordoned na already.
hmm.
So when he saw me, Paolo, pa-picture tayo. Hinamon niya talaga yung Guardia Civil.
Ay,
Lapit sa'kin, picture kami.
ay, Diyos ko parang
Hindi ko lang ma-share.
there was never a moment na parang pagka kay Paulo ano, eh, you're becoming alive.
Yes.
'Di ba parang you're becoming ano, my God! Diyos ko!
And as Vincent Cabrera, going back to the alibi, he was so freaking good.
Oo, magaling
Ang
siya.
galing niya,
Mm,
because he's like the least favorite son of the Lord of Acting, John Arcilla,
oo.
of Arthur Cabrera, the man of power talaga.
At saka hindi nakasabay siya kay
Yes,
John Arcilla. Ay, si John Arcilla, if you're not good enough, lalamunin
oo.
ka ng buhay.
I hope people appreciate that Rubik's Cube scene.
Mm. Oo,
Confrontation scene na mga play lang ng Rubik's.
pagkatapos
Tapos,
nakumpleto na niya yung
oo.
ay, iba,
And then,
'di ba?
when that facial expression, when announced
Mm.
who will be the next CEO of
Oo,
Cabrera News, yung
naluray-luray siya.
naluray-luray si Paolo, na talaga yung mata niya, teary. Wow,
Mm.
wow.
Tsaka
They even told him na, "You know what, ang galing-galing mo sa show." Sabi
mm,
niya, "He, gumanon lang." Para ayaw niyang
oo,
maniwala.
nag-i-improve na siya ng
Ang galing-galing na niya,
tremendously 'no,
oo.
enormously,
Mm.
'di ba?
At isa pang sobra akong na-impress sa this show, Robbie Jaworski.
Ay,
As
oo.
the youngest Cabrera,
Oo,
ang
kapatid ni
pogi,
Paulo
kapatid ni
'no?
Paolo, kapatid ni
Oo.
Rafael Rosel,
Hmm,
'di ba? Ang gwapo. At 'di ba, yung appreciation niya kay Paulo, 'di ba, during the press con, when he
yeah,
said na, "Ka-eksena ko si Paulo Avellino."
mm,
'Di ba? Meron pang ano man, dami Easter eggs of acting, something, something siyang gano'n,
yeah,
'di ba? Ang gwapo nung bata, at
tsaka ang tangkad.
ang maganda sa kanya, he really you could really feel him on screen as a Cabrera.
Mm.
Talagang anak siya ni Jaja at ni John Arcilla,
Oo,
'di
iba.
ba? At dun gusto kong palakpakan ng casting director, ha.
Oo, ang galing
Ang
ng ano
gwagwapo ng mga Cabrera,
oo.
from the adopted son.
At saka ano, you can feel the might. Kasi ano sila, eh, one
Mm.
of the richest sila in their ano,
Oo,
region, 'di ba?
oo.
Parang 'pag dumaan sila, alam mong rikadora, 'di ba? You
Pagpasok pa
feel
lang
it.
nila, dama mo agad,
Oo,
"Ay, mga Cabrera ito." Siyempre
oo, 'di ba?
tumabi tayo.
Oo.
I'm so lovely to see ano, Miss Jaja Padilla,
Oo, kasi
'di ba? Ang
she's
ganda ng
been ano,
role.
ang tagal nung ano niya, eh, ang tagal
Mm,
nang nawala sa ano, eh, sa
mm.
series, 'di ba?
There's one character actress, hindi ko matandaan yung pangalan, yung religious. Yung binayaran ni Kim ng ano, upa, ng gano'n, yung
Ay,
pagdadasal niya yung
oo,
kaluluwa niya,
oo. Nakakaloka yun,
'di ba?
'di
Yung
ba?
alalang magparonggit, pero nung binayaran,
Oo.
tumahimik, nag-ibang ano, nag-ibang
I
acting.
ano yun, tawag dito,
I think she's a theater
theater
actress,
actress, oh. Ibig sabihin, that simple scene is very natural ano,
Hmm,
parang captured on screen, 'di ba
oo,
parang yung parang it happens in real life, 'di
oo,
ba may mga gano'ng
oo.
tao?
And the manner na when Paolo was watching S Stella perform
Mm,
as Vincent Cabrera, yung
oo.
drinking
Yeah, mag-isa siya sa
his
sofa, sa
brandy,
couch.
kitang-kita mo na punong-puno siya ng pagnanasa.
Mm.
Muntik ko nang basagin yung silver screen, eh.
Diyos
Kasi
ko.
punong-puno ng
Ko!
Eme!
You cannot replicate what
Hindi ko
what
kaya.
him did.
Te,
Baka masuka mga taong bayan!
pag ako nag-pole dancing,
Ah.
warak agad ang pole. Baka, imbes na mabasa ako, lumubog ako sa stage.
My God, ano dyan?
Only Paolo can appreciate me dancing.
Ay,
Mm.
parang hindi naman.
Ay,
Diyos ko.
nako.
Ewan ko.
And
That-
again, we
that-
are congratulating the people, the cast, the crew of The Alibi. Thank you for giving us a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful show.
This is the 4th time na nagsama sila.
Mm-mm.
And each time, pataas ng pataas yung ante, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Yung quality,
Mm-mm.
iba rin.
And this is Paolo and Kimi like you've never seen them before. And on that note, inaanyayahan po namin kayong manood ng The Kitty Show sa aming Diario Torada YouTube channel. And of course, we're also showing every Saturday and Sunday at 4 p.m. sa aming Facebook page. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love, together with Miss May Kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brasas.
Thank you for watching, joining us here at The Kitty Show, Toriana Talakayan Showbiz Edition. Happy, 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 happy Saturday to all!